Hi, my name's Gary Chapman. I run a gardening and soft landscaping business in Wiltshire. I have a team of 5 guys working for us, and we work from properties ranging right across the board, from your small, medium-sized properties all the way up to the large estates that we have in the area. What I really enjoy about being a gardener in this area is that the scenery changes all the time and it's beautiful. And one of the reasons why I think we have such good scenery in this area is because people care. And we're one of those companies. We use Aspen fuel because to us it's the best that we can get. You can't get better. It's good for the environment, it's good for us using it, and it's great for our machines. One of the personal benefits to myself about using Aspen fuel is it's a much cleaner burning fuel. So at the end of the day, after I've been using these machines, I feel so much better. There are also many benefits for my business, not just about cost, also the workings of the machines. Aspen keeps them cleaner, so they benefit from that. So my advice to anybody thinking of changing their fuel over, go and give Aspen a go, try it, you'll be pleasantly surprised. We did within all our tools, and I can tell you now that all our machinery runs on Aspen fuel.